We get to chat about Madden 2025 in this video. I'm going to make you chuckle. As all of my Madden followers are aware, it's always a big deal. Who gets to be on a Madden cover each year? You're going to laugh at me. Apex 2024, the XRP short-term target is approaching. What are we considering? Don't worry or be afraid, Rip is here to discuss XRP Legend versus Ripple. After that, there will be a shakeup that is heard globally without further ado. Now, let's dive right into it. The market cap for cryptocurrencies just flashed into the crimson directly before our eyes. 1,082 billion Bitcoin has decreased by about 1% to $47,251, while Ethereum has decreased by roughly 0.5%. XRP is attempting to remain green, coming in at 24.88 USDT and USDC, both coming in at 99. Entering the day, it is up 0.14% from the previous day. Where do we go from here at the mean lane of 52 cents? It's really easy. Pay attention to Bitcoin 48,000. It is a very important line of interest for Bitcoin to shut above, and we will keep talking about it. We are currently fighting. Are we going to make it there right now? Time will tell, of course, and if we don't get it there, we might end up seeing the dump that we've been discussing down to the 30 to 33,000 that one last final drop. Mr. Beast, one of the largest streamers on the internet, said, "I'm going to be very sad if you don't watch my new YouTube video." I just tweeted out, well, I don't want to be sad. Shake up before the event before Bitcoin starts to go crazy now. So everyone, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's fresh. For the first time, please listen to me. I post 2 videos every day. Please hit the subscribe button to help me out. Don't miss out on 2 videos in particular. Be a little helpful. It takes 2 seconds and is free, but you could have finished it sooner. Alright, Madden 2025. Come on, this is hilarious. It's really hilarious, you know. Who, specifically, is going to rig the Super Bowl so that the Kansas City Chiefs win? It won't be rigged, in my opinion. People, but when this cover aired, it made me laugh out loud. I'm going to apply to talk at Apex on June 11th to 13th about Lux Lions and everything we're creating on top of the XRP ledger because, people, we keep smashing down barriers every single day. We implemented pack openings and have one of the biggest NFT projects on the ledger, if not the biggest one. We are given an introduction to the Breeding Mutation Lab, TI Ledger. We have one of the best communities around at TI Ledger because we give back. Simply for waiting patiently while we relax. And we construct and handle all the grunt work. I'm not sure what you're doing with credit cards, but it seems like a win-win situation to hold and earn value as we keep building. Accepted XRP obtained. My boyfriend placed this on appreciation in Pitas. If you're not following DJ Pitas, it's him. I get information from this individual every single day. Follow him. Please accept my apology. I truly appreciate that he sent things over, but sometimes I forget to say thank you. XRP's short-term price as the asset creates a bullish pattern. The target ranges from $1 to $130. According to this article and the accompanying chart from EGR Crypto, XRP rises above the extending channel. However, the asset quickly fell from this high after a rally that brought the price back to $196 in April 2021. It then reclaimed itself, and the drop came about. There was a subsequent 21% drop in June 2022 to 33 cents in the asset fall to the ascending channel, and we sat in that area and battled it. Folks, it felt like years, so where are we? Now that I look at it, the W pattern makes sense. A green W pad is starting to appear, and XRP is drawing attention by offering legitimacy and promise. I love it appears that you can visit the eg.cryptos page and take a peek. See whether we stay by looking at the formation. If we follow this formation, the price of XRP should soar soon. I support it. Recall my ranges and my targets. Have not altered in that $150 area for XRP. It will, in my opinion, be the first stop. That sort of spot where we pause to breathe. We're going to push back once we've caught our breath. We must surpass the 150 range to discuss the all-time high and price discovery. For those who are unfamiliar with cryptocurrencies, bull markets, or the price discovery phase of their preferred asset, price discovery occurs when an asset's value rises over 150. It reaches an extreme point, it's the final peak, as nobody is certain of its destination. By then, all the data will be gone. No charts are higher than the record high, by the way. The limit we have seen is the sky. Goals, and I've discussed goals on Yes, I am aware that the higher end of the $18 to $24 range is where this channel is offered. It gets a lot of hostility from people. There's no way there are only $1.8 trillion in cryptocurrency, yet XRP will have a $1 trillion market valuation. Yes, but you seem to be getting into your assuming that everything will revolve around XRP and that no new money will join the cryptocurrency space. When we reach the 4 to 7 trillion figures, I anticipate seeing somewhere between 4 and 7 trillion in this bull run. You intend to inform me. From 7 trillion, EXP can have 1 trillion. 1 trillion out of 6 trillion, that's all, of course, it could and would. Going to be contingent upon the level of liquidity. Going to AP, the crypto markets are the organizations going to ENT because there is still a lot of ground to cover and a lot of uncertainty. This bull run can be played in a variety of ways. Guys, that's what makes it so exciting, it's out. On 2024 and the potential of this bull cycle, which might take us to 2025, these months and years are these. It is for this that we wait. We await its arrival. It's approaching, it's here. About 2 months remain. Prehistoric dates, which go back more than a dozen years, show that there has never been a gathering when Bitcoin has not reached a new peak. We observe the narrative that emerges each time there is a gathering and what people say about Bitcoin's deceased. People, Bitcoin has been dead 998 times. It's not going away, it's not dead. Genie has left the fight and isn't coming back. I believe that Bitcoin will reach $100,000 or more, and time will tell on that XRP. Therefore, they demand that the Ripple executives respond quickly to the drop in the price of XRP. It appears as though a fresh story is being told. Everyone is currently kicking, screaming, and yelling at Ripple outside because they want Ripple to take action. The cost of XRP, this was mentioned in the first video. What are your desires? As more new people join us, Ripple, why don't you begin expanding on top of the ledger and adding additional members? The greater number of those who purchase XP if you wanted Ripple to take action. You should have sided with the SEC and claimed that Ripple is the only entity behind the XRP ledger and XRP and that they are entirely accountable for the price of XRP. As a result, the more the price rises during the Ripple versus SEC litigation, the better that you were on the SEC side. I shouldn't have supported Ripple, but I did during the litigation because everyone else did, and I don't think Ripple will reach any new all-time highs. I'm anticipating Ripple. It will take more than one player in the game for SBI, the central banks, the governments, and the remittance companies to come together, start using the ledger, break down the existing silos, stop accepting new accounts, and transition to a new financial system. People rely on more than just Ripple's hair. Rather than going after Ripple, we should be depending on everyone to present use cases for the XRP ledger. This would make it more appealing and attract additional investors. Because the price has us furious. One of my favorites, if not my favorite, is Ghost Rider. I adore the lab that she attends in the Lux Lance community. I make use of Lux Lion's lab myself. Yes, I said it over 20 times to make my special one of a kind. It's in this instance, we're talking about people visiting the lab and realizing what they can accomplish there. They'll say something like, "Holy crap, let me acquire a few of these. Allow me to obtain a portion of it so I can purchase some of these NFTs with this XRP. I'll go utilize the lab now." One use case that is pushing people to acquire XRP off the exchanges is the desire to create their own NFT. The more XRP that is bought from the exchanges, the more probable it is that the price will rise. It's very easy. The way the price structure in cryptocurrencies works is fairly straightforward. If there are more purchases than sales, the price will rise. If there are more purchases than sales, the price will fall. There isn't an insane method to work this out. Hence, it will be better for the price of XRP as a whole the more usefulness we add to the XRP ledger. The price will rise as a result of everyone contributing, working hard, exercising due diligence, teaching others, and bringing more people to the ledger.